chicken curry. So in chicken curry, what you want to need in the recipe: onion, bay leaves, dry chili, stone onion, ginger, garlic, tomato, sugar, and salt. These are masala, garam masala. This is dhania powder and turmeric powder, chili powder, methi, garam masala, and that's it you need. And of course we need chicken and oil. First add the fenugreek seed, bay leaves, and dry chili. Brown sugar. For 5 minutes, 5 minutes or so until you add the water. For 10 to 15 Now I'm just going to burn. Now I'm going to add bowl water. Add cornflour or dry soup. Now it's ready. I'm gonna add a little bit of green onion. Now it's ready, my chicken curry, guys. So if you like my chicken curry, please give it a thumbs up and please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.